Welcome back. In this video, I will be teaching you what affiliate marketing is. So basically, according to me, I'd say affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy. In this video, I will be teaching you what is affiliate marketing, the types of affiliate marketing programs, choosing the right affiliate partners, effective affiliate marketing strategies. Also, I will be showing you what the challenges and considerations of affiliate marketing is. And finally, we'll look at the future of affiliate marketing. So, first, what is affiliate marketing? Let's dive into it. So basically, affiliate marketing can be categorized into two: collaborative monetization and diverse income streams. So what is collaborative monetization? Affiliate marketing is a partnership where businesses compensate affiliates for driving sales or traffic. So basically, affiliate marketing is nothing hard. It's something simple. It's basically driving sales or traffic to a particular site. So what happens is a company like Amazon will provide you with an affiliate link whereby you'll use it, you'll promote it on social media, and by any chance, if an individual clicks on that link and purchases that certain product or service that is provided, you will be compensated for a certain percentage that is understood. Second, diverse income streams. Affiliates earn commissions by promoting products or services of another company on their platforms. Scalable business model. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to expand their reach and generate revenue without additional overhead. So, what are the key components? We can categorize this part into three main areas. That is referral programs, the commission structure, and the tracking and reporting sector. So, referral programs. Businesses partner with affiliates to promote products and services, that is through social media. 2. Commission structure. Affiliates earn a certain percentage of sales generated. As I mentioned earlier, if a product is bought through your link, then a company like Amazon will give you a certain percentage. If it's 2%, 5%, it is up to them. And finally, the tracking and reporting sector. Platforms monitor affiliate performance and payouts. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Low startup cost. You don't have to have too much capital to start this. It's quite simple. As long as you have a laptop, Wi-Fi, and basically that's it. You can start your own affiliate marketing business. So yeah, minimal upfront investment is required. Second, passive income potential. Earn commissions on sales generated by referrals. Third and finally, flexible and scalable. Affiliate programs allow for easy expansion into new markets. 2. Let's look at the types of affiliate marketing programs. Influencer marketing. This can be categorized into leverage influencers, affiliate partnerships and social media campaigns. Collaborate with industry leaders to promote products. Form strategic partnerships with influential content creators. And finally, social media campaigns. Leverage social media to reach targeted audiences. So the more you use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, any social media platform, you will definitely reap your rewards. Loyalty programs, incentive repeat business, that is, reward customers for continued engagement and purchases. Tiered reward structure, offer escalating benefits based on customer lifetime value. And finally, exclusive member benefits, provide unique perks to loyal program participants. Coupons and deal sites, offer discounts because as long as you're a human being, everyone loves discounts. By doing this, you will promote deals and coupons to drive affiliate sales. That is a must. You just have to offer discounts. Also, earning commission, earning a percentage of sales generated through referrals. If you see the fruits of your labor, you will be more and more and more motivated. Attracting bargain hunters, right? Cater to consumers seeking the best prices. And that's that. So let's look at choosing the right affiliate partners. Evaluating potential partners. This is crucial because you need to assess reputation, analyze audience fit, and evaluate their commission rates. That is, you have to compare commission structures and payout terms to other partnerships. Negotiating commissions. You have to negotiate at all costs. Evaluate commission structures. That means you need to understand different commission models to negotiate favorable terms. Assess partner reputation. Here, you vet potential partners to ensure reliable and ethical practices. Discuss payment schedules. Agree on a timely and transparent payment process. That is, if you have every individual has needs and those needs need to be met. If it's the beginning of the month, if it's the middle of the month or end month, it needs to be so. You need to negotiate any payment plans. You just can't tell your landlord that you'll be paying on the 5th and your payment comes on the 15th. You see? So negotiate any payment methods, any payment plans, that is. So building successful relationships, you need to evaluate any partner fit. This involves any assets compatibility with your brand and audience. Establish any clear expectations. So you need to discuss any commission structures, reporting, and marketing support. Foster, that is, develop any open communication. Maintain regular check-ins to address any challenges and opportunities. So let's look at the effective affiliate marketing strategies. Yeah. So content creation and promotion is one of them. Here you will develop engaging content by creating valuable and informative content to attract potential customers. Leverage social media. That is the most important thing about affiliate marketing. So, promote affiliate products through social media platforms. Also, another key ingredient to online activities is optimized for search engines. That is SEO, search engine optimization. Ensure that your content is SEO friendly to improve visibility. Leveraging social media. Utilize influencer partnerships. Optimize social media profiles. That is, you should ensure that your social affiliate links are prominently displayed on profiles. And finally, leverage social media ads. Here, you will target a wide range of audience. You can target specific or a broader audience. Tracking and optimization. Monitor performance. Here you analyze key metrics to optimize campaigns. Leverage data insights. Utilize data to refine affiliate strategies. And finally, continuous optimization. As I said, optimization SEO is the key ingredient to online businesses. So, regularly test and improve any tactics that you come across. The challenges and considerations is our next topic. Compliance and regulations. Understand any legal requirements. Familiarize yourself with the laws and any regulations governing affiliate marketing. Maintain transparency. Ensure disclosure, a very clear one, on affiliate relationships. And finally, avoid deceptive practices, preventing misleading claims or promotional tactics. Fraud prevention is another challenge. Identify fraudulent activities, implement any verification processes, and optimize any payout structures. You need to monitor and use any user behavior to detect suspicious patterns. Also, you are required to have a strong authentication and validation of affiliate accounts. Design commission models to discourage fraudulent signups. Measuring performance. Track any conversion rates. Analyze traffic sources and optimize for ROI. Here, you adjust campaigns to maximize return on investment. That's basically what ROI means. Also, identify the most effective channels for driving traffic. What is the future of affiliate marketing? Emerging trends. Personalized recommendations, influencer partnerships, social commerce. So, what is personalized recommendation? Leveraging AI to provide tailored product suggestions. So basically, utilize artificial intelligence to the best of everything, because you will need suggestions to everything. Influencer partnerships, collaborating with niche content creators to reach new audiences. Finally, integrate affiliate links directly into social media platforms. Influencer marketing evolution, leverage influencer partnerships, diversified monetization channels, and personalized affiliate experiences. Increasing competition, that is diversifying monetization streams, optimizing conversion rates, and leveraging niche audiences. So, for diversifying monetization streams, we need to, as affiliates, leverage any multiple programs to offset competition, optimizing any rates. As affiliates, we need to focus on improving any user experience to stand out. And finally, leveraging niche audiences. Affiliates targeting specialized communities to find loyal customers.